Hello students, now I am going to talk you about female reproductive part of a flower, that is pistil. The whole is gynoecium, right? Gynoecium represents the female reproductive unit of a flower. Androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower. A gynoecium may consist of only one carpel, which is known as monocarpellary or monocarpous gynoecium. Examples of monocarpellary flowers are mango and coconut. Gynoecium may consist of many carpel, which is known as multicarpellary. In multicarpellary flowers, the gynoecium may be apocarpous or syncarpous. It is apocarpous if the pistils are free. The gynoecium is said to be syncarpous if the pistils are fused. Example of an apocarpous flower is Ranunculus. Petunia is an example of syncarpous flower. This is hibiscus, gynoecium of hibiscus, apocarpous pistil it has. This is apocarpous gynoecium of Michelia. This is a syncarpous pistil of Pepever. Pistil consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma is the landing platform of the pollinators. Pollen tubes will enter through the stigma to reach the ovary through style. This is ovary. The cavity present inside the ovary is called ovarian cavity or locule. Ovarian cavity is enclosed by ovarian walls. Ovarian wall. If the ovary contains only one locule, that is called monolocular. The ovary which has many chambers or many locules or cavities is called multilocular ovary. Okay, it is ovarian cavity. Inside ovarian cavity, ovules will be grown of ovules. They will be attached to the placenta. We have seen different arrangements of the seeds in fruits. They are actually based on the arrangements of the seeds in ovarian cavities. So, arrangement of ovules in the ovarian chamber or cavity is called placentation. Placentation is of 5 types: pre-central placentation, axial placentation, marginal placentation, parietal placentation, and basal placentation. These are 5 types of the placentation. Pre-central placentation is found in prime rose. Axial placentation is found in China rose. Pea plant has marginal placentation. Mustard has the parietal placentation, and basal placentation is found in sunflower. Now let us learn about ovule, Megasporinium. You know, inside the ovary, ovarian cavities are present. In the ovarian cavities, ovules are developed. The ovule arises as a primordium on the placenta. Inside the ovarian cavity, ovules will be grown of ovules. This is ovule, Megasporinium. Ovules are attached to the placenta through a stalk-like structure called funicle. This is a funicle. It is also known as a funiculus. The junction between funicle and the ovule is called hilum. This is the structure of an ovule. Ovule has outer walls known as integuments, outer integument and inner integument, except one part of the ovule that is called micropyle. Micropyle is the region of the ovule where integuments are not covering. This part is a micropyle. The opposite thickening part is called salaza. It is an anatropous type of the ovule. There are 6 types of ovules. They are orthotropous, anatropous, hemitropous, campylotropous, amphitropous, and sarkinotropous. Okay, this first type of ovule is called orthotropous. It is the most primitive type of the ovule in which micropyle, salaza lie in a straight line. Right. In most of the gymnosperms, this type of ovules are found. This second type of ovule is called anatropous. In anatropous, nucellus is curved 180 degree. So micropyle and the funicle lie side by side. Majority of angiosperms are having this kind of ovules, anatropous ovules. This second type of ovule is called anatropous, right? Next we have hemitropous. In this type, nucellus and the funicle lie in right angle. This fourth type of ovule is called campylotropous. It is the only ovule in which the micropyle and the salaza are not a straight line. Okay, next we have amphitropous type of ovule. In this type, both nucellus and the embryo sac are curved, so embryo sac becomes a horseshoe shape. Lastly, we have sarkinotropous type of ovule. In this ovule, the nucellus rotates 360 degree and funicle is very low and it coils around the ovule, right? Within its ovule, one of the nucellar cell will enlarge and become as a megaspore mother cell. This is a megaspore mother cell. It will undergo meiosis to form megaspore tetrad. Firstly, megaspore diet will be formed. This process of formation of megaspore tetrad from megaspore mother cell by meiosis is called megasporogenesis. Megaspore tetrad is cluster of 4 haploid megaspores, right? Only one of these megaspore tetrad will be functional, which lies at the salazine region, and other 3 will degenerate. The functional megaspore will develop as embryo sac. The process is called monosporic development. Mono means single. Because of formation of the embryo sac from a single megaspore, this is called monosporic development. The nucleus of the embryo sac will divide mitotically into 2 nuclei. Without formation of the cell 1, these 2 nuclei will again undergo another second mitotic division to form 4 nuclei. This process is called free nuclear division. Free nuclear division means nuclear division without formation of cell 1. These 4 nuclei will undergo third mitotic division, which forms 8 nuclei. Okay, 2 nuclei to 4 nuclei, 4 nuclei to 8 nuclei. Then 1 nucleus from micropylar region, 1 nucleus from the salazine region will fuse in the center region to form polar nuclei. When embryo sac is mature, 7 cells will be formed. So a mature embryo sac has 7 cells and 8 nuclei. In the salazine region, the cells are known as antipodal cells. In the micropylar region, 3 cells will be form one egg cell met two synergids. Group together and constitute the egg apparatus. The egg apparatus, it consists of synergids, two synergids and one egg cell. They all are haploid. It is a filiform apparatus, finger-like projection. The function of filiform apparatus is to guide the pollen tube which enter towards the embryo sac. A mature embryo sac has 6 haploid cells and 1 diploid cell. The 6 haploid cells are 3 antipodal cells, 1 egg, 2 synergids. The diploid cell is central cell. So a mature embryo sac has 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Okay, dear students, let's do this much only for today. In next class, let us learn about pollination and types of the pollinations. Right?